Watch the incredible journey of a scruffy, sick cat found on the streets, transformed into a healthy and happy feline companion. This heartwarming video documents the process of rescue, care, and recovery, showcasing the power of compassion. In the beginning, you'll see the poor cat looking unwell and neglected, struggling on its own. But thanks to kind-hearted individuals, this cat gets a second chance at life. Follow along as it receives much-needed food, medical attention, and gentle care. Witness the amazing transformation as the cat's fur becomes clean and fluffy. Its eyes brighten, and its overall demeanor changes from fearful to content. This video is a beautiful reminder of how a little love and care can make a world of difference to an animal in need. If you love animal rescue stories and heartwarming transformations, this video is for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more stories of hope and healing.